सी लिफ्ट करा दे, थोड़ी सी लिफ्ट करा दे, ऐसे वैसों को दिया है, कैसे कैसों को दिया है, थोड़ी सी भी लिफ्ट करा दे, थोड़ी सी लिफ्ट करा दे, कैसे कैसों को दिया है, ऐसे वैसों को दिया है, थोड़ी सी भी लिफ्ट करा दे, थोड़ी सी लिफ्ट करा दे. So hi again, Justine Kapani, founder CEO, I'm Decor Design. We are in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And what was that song? You know, Adnan Sani with his beautiful voice and his uplifting music and stuff, you know. So this has been one of my favorite songs because I find it pretty funny and I find it nice and positive. So why am I singing that there and why am I singing it here? So I'm singing it because you know, we've got the drum circle happening tomorrow, which is at Bikaner House, and we are going to be playing there at Bikaner House at the Rajasthani festival. And mostly we are a drum circle which is open for all, which means there are no passes and no tickets and stuff. And the previous part of the singing was just a part of what I see normally a lot of people do, you know, trying to present their talent on the street and stuff and earning all the monies in a way, indirectly trying to kind of, you know, get paid for it and stuff and all by singing or by music or by playing an instrument or by dancing like Michael Jackson or something on the street and stuff. But we don't do anything of that sort, okay? So we are just a group which is an internationally inspired one, like you've seen in New York and other parts of the world. There are drum circles that happen. People get together in community parks or at the big parks and stuff, and they just let loose and they create music or create you know, hangama, passion and joro shoro se matlab they let their horses loose and stuff. So we've been doing this in Delhi for a number of years and stuff. And I've been associated with the Delhi Drum Circle since 2008, early 2007. So tomorrow, be there or be square, which is at the Bikaner House. We start at about 5 o'clock or so. Check the mailer, and it's a free entry, and it's very nicely connected with the metro. You know, you can just come on the metro route of CP or India Gate, and then you take an auto or you just walk down, whatever suits you the best, right? And Bikaner House is one of the upmarket trending places where exhibitions happen, festival happens, art shows happen and stuff, you know. So you tend to meet a lot of interesting people there as well. So tomorrow the Rajasthan festival, they've got something planned till the 25th, but we are going to be there with our music, with our singing, with our joyful tones and personalities. Get an instrument if you want to play, and if you just want to be an audience, and of course you can be a part of the singing. कैसे कैसे को दिया है, ऐसे वैसों को दिया है, कैसे कैसों को दिया है, ऐसे वैसों को दिया है. तो टैलेंट है, क्रिएटिविटी है, पैशन है, एनर्जी है, एंथुजियाज्म है, और you want to, you know, let loose, be at the drum circle tomorrow. Yeah, so you can check my details on social media. Justine Kapani are my handles on Instagram and on Facebook, and for the details and everything you can check the Delhi Drum Circle page, right? So you could avoid messaging me privately. This is a message I'm sharing here, and I'm clearly telling you that, you know, you don't have to be a musician. You can join in just to kind of create music, have some bonding, make some friends, just to kick ass. And we do this every fortnight or so. So be a part of a community which is about I think if you already reached 20,000 plus drummers all over the world and stuff. It's a drum circle, but we have people coming with all kinds of instruments and dancers and musicians and personalities. So be there tomorrow. Yeah, take care. Bye bye. Yeah.